Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate from GoDaddy email to Grigora Mail. To get started, you'll need to use a free application called Thunderbird. First, download Thunderbird and log in using your GoDaddy email credentials. Once you are logged in, head to the Settings menu at the bottom left of the screen. From there, click on Add-ons and Themes and search for an extension called Import Export Tools NG and install that extension. Now, navigate back to your main email view. Right-click on your Inbox folder, then hover over Import Export Tools NG, select Export Folder, and choose the option to export as an inbox file. Save this file somewhere easy to find on your computer system. Before proceeding, make sure the file you saved has a .mbox extension. If not, simply rename it and add .mbox to the end. Now, go to your Grigora dashboard and click on Mails. Click on Create New Address. Select your domain and enter your desired email prefix. Create a password and click Continue. You will see DNS records to add to your domain manager. Add and verify them. If already done, click Skip for now. Next, you can enable Forward a copy to another mail if you want incoming emails forwarded elsewhere. Click Continue. Enter your name for the email account. You can also choose whether to include a website link in your signature. Click Finish Setup. Click Open Inbox and log in. Once inside your inbox, click on Settings at the top. Scroll down and click on Import Data. Upload the inbox file you exported from Thunderbird earlier. Click Next. Choose how you want to import the emails, merge with existing folder, or import to new folder. Select your preference and click Start Import. The import process will begin. Once finished, you will see an Import Successful message. Click Done. That's it! You have successfully migrated your emails from GoDaddy to Grigora Mail. See you in the next tutorial.